Run it back? No way it's here already. So I got two packages here, one from RunItBack and the other from Redemption Fingerboards, who makes abstract wheels. But I'm super excited to show you guys what I got, what I ordered, and share my thoughts on the products, and as well as what I think on what I think of both of the companies, because both of them offer good fingerboard gear. High-end fingerboard gear for the price at affordable pricing. So yeah, let's get this out of the way. But this is complete. I ordered from RunItBack. I got a baleful deck. I think it's their low mold. It's supposed to be 32 millimeters with some dynamic SE trucks, special edition trucks. And then these are some Bloob 70s, I believe. But yeah, definitely pretty nice. Wow. But yeah, and then I ordered some wheels. Got some G-Sheets grip too. That's pretty sweet. But yeah, here is the checklist they went through. Right now I'll share what RunItBack has on their website. It says, we prowl the web for used fingerboard gear, buy in lots to drive down the price per piece and then pass the savings on to you. As a buyer, get quality checked used gear on the cheap with the convenience of online checkout instead of the headaches that come with public trading forums. No worries about scammers, bad quality control, DM drama, or getting overcharged. We will inspect and tune up every item that we list for sale. We'll run through a quality control checklist, which will give you a crystal clear understanding of our fair pricing. So, and then you guys should be able to see that, but yeah, it states the condition of pretty much all the products they offer. But yeah, it came with some stickers here. Another small sticker, and looks like just a big sticker. But yeah, let's get right into the Redemption fingerboards stuff that I ordered. They're all abstract wheels, but yeah, pretty sweet. So he does a ton of sales on his website, so be sure to check that out. Got some more wheels in there actually, but yeah, so I ordered a couple sets of their normal wheels, and then he sent in some free B stocks. So yeah, these are the normal ones, and then these are the B stocks. But I got a wide variety of shapes and sizes and all that. But yeah, I'll hold them up. Got some tan ones. The blems are kind of just random colors, but yeah, these are actually pretty sick. So I'm excited on the blue and the pink. Set those up on something. But it also came with some grip. I'm not sure what that is, but that's awesome. Yeah, go check them out. redemptionfb.com, I believe that is. Yep. But yeah, some stickers, and also RunItBack, he sent this tiny little flame. That's pretty cool. But yeah, this baleful complete that I got is pretty sweet. It's definitely, the turning radius is actually way better than I thought. Maybe I got it mixed up in my head that Dynamics had like different turning radius, but because my independent trucks, you guys already know about those, the turning radius is crazy, but these are pretty much just the same. But anyways, yeah, I think RunItBack and Redemption are doing great things for the community by offering products, high-end fingerboard gear for like a low price. So yeah, that's pretty sweet what they're doing. But yeah, I've never tried dynamic trucks, and I pretty much just got back into fingerboarding like 2 months ago or so. So it's nice that I don't have to spend everything in my bank account just on fingerboard gear. Yeah, he sells a whole bunch of used gear. So if you want to try out a product or company and don't want to spend $45 on a deck or something like that, make sure to check out RunItBack's shop. He posts really good deals on there. Most of them are used, but some are still in the packaging as well. But yeah, he sells trucks, wheels, decks, and then completes, which I think I got a steal for this deck. It's honestly in good condition on this quality control paper that he went over. All of it pretty much says skated to worn condition. So yeah, I'm pretty excited that it's not as bad as I thought. It's actually way better. So yeah, I don't know if any of you guys have tried baleful decks, but yeah, it's pretty sweet. Compare it to my one. Yeah, it's a little lower. I think the kicks on it are asymmetrical, which I've never had before, so it's cool to try different things out, because I have no clue what I like. I have like a somewhat of idea what I like on my boards. Like I think maybe some lower kicks on this. This is the Chems Mid Pro Popsicle, and the kick angles on these are 24. But yeah, I got all the wheels to try out. I don't know if the timings are different. I know you can get really in depth with the wheelbase and kick angles, kick size, ride height of the trucks. There's a whole bunch of different stuff that factor how well you like a fingerboard deck. But yeah, this deck feels really nice. It almost feels smaller than my other 32 that I got. But yeah, I'm gonna put some abstracts on this setup and see how I like it, because the Apex wheels from Teak Tuning, the bearings like slide all over the place. So yeah, the wheels are extremely small. But yeah, 7 millimeters. I think the Blue 70s are, but yeah, this thing's pretty sweet. Make sure to check out both of their companies. I'll post the links in the description of this video if you guys want to go support them yourselves. But yeah, I might throw in some clips of me using this deck, and then I might try switching some parts around and stuff like that. But I'll honestly probably just keep this set up how it is, because it's pretty nice. But yeah, I might throw some other abstracts on both of my other decks. But yeah, be sure to like and subscribe, and check out my other videos. I post on Instagram and TikTok as well. So yeah, there's a bunch more videos on their way to YouTube too. So yeah, but thanks for watching, and see you guys later.